Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
I know you got all dressed up for the club, waiting on Nick come pick you up.
So it's currently 3 a.m. in the morning and I'm about to start my week. Don't ask me why I'm up doing this. I said I might as well go ahead and knock it out the way. Go ahead and show y'all the details. I'm not good with this, so yeah. I didn't install it. It's really cute. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and watch me install my wig. Always oil your scalp before you put a wig on, because if not, your hair gonna be itching. Next, I am brushing my hair with my edges to the back. I always clean around my edges like with a wet washcloth before I put any products on it. This is my wig cap. I used something new like this time because I was like, I always get like the heavier ones. So I got like a sheer one. I guess that's what you would call it. This is what I use to slick my edges back. I just dab a little bit, put on my edges, and push them back. And as you're gonna see me in the next couple of minutes, you're gonna see me taking my hand, kind of like molding it, so it can like stay. You can either use a blow dryer. I just choose to use my hand. Now, go ahead and take your wig cap, put on your hair, pull it over your ears. What you're gonna see me do is cut behind it. I always cut behind it, bring and pull the cap to the front. Okay, period. Now you can see me take some Gotspeed glue and dab on my edges. This is how I get my cap to stay in place. You can see my method that I use. And you don't want to like spray too low or spray too high. You want to spray like a little bit before like your hairline. Okay, now I'm blow drying it so that it can dry before I add something else to it. Okay, now I'm going to be using lace glue. I prefer to use boho. It doesn't break me out or anything. All I'm going to do is follow the same method. I'm putting the glue right before my hairline. As you see me doing, I just take my finger and nicely mold it in. You can use like a comb, but I prefer to use my finger. It's much easier. Now, anything you can smooth this out with, I always grab the first thing I see. So this is literally like a makeup thing I don't even use. I think it's a makeup like brush for your eyebrows. Whatever you see, use it. You can see me lift up my cap. This let me know that it's like really glued into place. Next, makeup. I love that little sponge brush. I don't know what it's called, but hey, you get the job done. So all I did was dab it into the makeup, and I'm putting it on my cap. I think this color is too like light for me, but I did this on purpose. You'll see why. Okay. Some people use razors. I like my scissors because I know like how to fix my errors. So you can either use scissors or a razor. Even though it's showing, that's okay. All right, you see these two? I'm gonna tie it in a knot. Making sure it's secure, and I'm gonna tuck it under so like it wouldn't be hanging down or anything. Alright, I'm taking my lace glue and you'll see exactly how I'm about to fix this. I know I don't have that much makeup, but like I said, you will see why I did what I did. Alright, get your little thing you want to use. Smoothing this out. So you see how it's like disappearing as I'm putting my lace glue on, my cap. I always gotta dance in the video, y'all. If you know, you know. I love to dance. It don't be looking all that good, but hey. Look, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now I'm gonna blow dry it. I did do layers of this. I think I did like 3 to 4 different layers. All you do is repeat it, smooth it out, blow dry it. Let it turn clear. Alright, now I'm placing my wig on. These steps are very crucial to me. Like, you're gonna see me so focused. Make sure you have your comb in hand on standby. I always start in the middle first. And then I try to do the edges. Or the sides of the wig. I can't really explain this part. It's just like, just watch me work.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Bitch, I'm G to the L to the O-P. You can catch me at a track of tennis, slime with your hoes. I ain't popping out at party, gotta book me for a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, working on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she scared, right? She put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyways.
And I'm back. So what I'm doing now is I am spraying got to be over the places already re-glued. And I had to fix to fit. Basically to fit it how I wanted it to look. Band on for an hour, like E. Kane said. Go walk around, go do something. Alright, now we're going to be removing it. Bam. Bam, there is a little spot I need to touch it, but you see it. I'm taking my makeup little sponge, dabbing in some places. Now, be careful with your hot comb. I'm used to it. Like, I know what I'm doing. But I don't want y'all out here burning y'all heads. Hot combs get very hot. And as you can see, I done had this bad boy for a minute. Look how it look. Okay, so right here, I'm just making the effect like when the 2 pieces of hair like comes in my face. I can't explain it. Like, I want it like kind of lifted a little. What lace? What effing lace? Stop playing with me. Now I'm just styling it how I want it to look. Kind of combing through it to my liking. And voila. This is the final look. You can't tell me I ate this hairstyle up. It looks really good on me. I'm so proud of myself. I done came a long way with installing wigs. Beautiful. Yeah, I really started feeling myself like you couldn't tell me nothing. But this is the final look once again. I really hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video.